5 Best Kitchen Scale for Baking India.
HealthSense introduces chef-made kitchen scale, which is attractive, durable, highly versatile, and offers a wide range of features. Comes handy with a plastic measuring bowl and large LCD with blue backlight for easy reading. Can measure ingredients up to 5 kg, 11 pounds and 176 ounce. Chair function resets the displayed weight on the scale back to 0. This function also allows to weigh ingredients of different forms like liquids, fruits, cereals separately or multiple items in the same container. With a graduation increment of 1 gram, it can measure ingredients in gram, ml, ounce or pounds. Works with just 2 AAA batteries. This beautiful scale carries a 1-year HealthSense India warranty, thus helping you become a healthier individual and a better cook.
Introducing the Dr. Trust Electronic Kitchen Scale, a reliable, precise and practical way to portion everything you eat. Compact, modern and easy to use, the clear LCD backlit display and precision measurements mean accurate readings every time, no matter how small or large your portions. To start weighing, place your scales on a solid flat surface. Press the power button to turn the scales on and wait until the display shows 0. The scales have 3 working modes: weight mode, milk volume mode and water volume mode, which you can select by pressing the unit button. Set the scale to water mode for liquids with lighter density or milk mode for heavier density liquids. You can also change the measuring units between grams, pounds, fluent ounces, ounces and milliliters by pressing and holding the unit button during measurements. To measure using a different container, simply remove the bowl and put your container onto the scales. Press the 0 button to reset the LCD display to 0 and you're ready to measure. The Dr. Trust Precision Kitchen Scales has the ability to weigh different loads consecutively without removing loads from the scale. Simply add your first ingredient and press the 0 button to reset the LCD before adding your next item. This can be repeated multiple times for multiple ingredients. The scales will display ERR to indicate a weight overload, or LO when the battery is low, and will automatically shut off after 2 minutes to maintain battery life. Easy to clean, lightweight, compact to store and simple to use, the Dr. Trust Electronic Kitchen Scales offers practicality and effortless portion management in one affordable package. Get yours today.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.